Mitroman Bandhu, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your education channel. We are talking about our fascinating RayalaSeema region, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Deccan, Dakshin in India. This is the part 7. We have identified around about 23 physiographic regions, geographic regions. Understanding the physiography, geography gives a deeper understanding rather than just the political boundaries of the land. That's why I am talking about this series. This series will help you to understand more about the historic RayalaSeema region. And this panel I will keep as it is. Today we are talking about the Velikonda range. This is among the 23, part 2. In the RayalaSeema series, this becomes part 7. This is the Nallamala range. East of Nallamala, this is the Velikonda range. The landmarks is the Penna river, Pinakini river. Northern boundary here is the Tungabhadra Krishna river. Here, this is the Palar river, the Vellore region, the RayalaSeema plateau, and we'll be talking about this more. This is our fascinating RayalaSeema region, the land of Vijayanagara emperors and Rajarshi Krishna Devaraya. These are the 23 physiographic regions. You can see 1 to 23. This is the RayalaSeema series. Now we are talking about this Velikonda ranges. The Velikonda ranges, that is the point of discussion today. And if you are new to our education channel, Intellectual Kshatriya channels, Mitroman Bandhu, I have put a lot of effort and wanted to share my 4.5 decades of intensive work and passion so that you can understand the global geography, Indology, history, culture, heritage, human ecology in these uniquely, meticulously made presentations I posted for you for benefit at our YouTube channel, that is South Asia Maps Ceded. As of 2023 July, we already have 407, more than 400 waiting for you. You can explore further. This is the historic RayalaSeema region. This is the political geography, political map, and we are talking about this region. The landmark is Chennapatnam, Madras here, and we will also be talking as a part of RayalaSeema, Bellary district, Kurnool, Anantapur, Kadapa, Chittoor. This is the core or condensed form of Telugu-speaking RayalaSeema that overflows into some parts of Tamil territory and Coromandel region of Andhra Pradesh, and also Canary-speaking Bellary that we will be broadly talking about. You look at the historical, you see during the before partition Radcliffe line, around about 1946, you can see this is the Deccan division. It used to be called our Ceded division of Madras Presidency. You can see the Bellary district here. This is the Bombay Presidency. This is the Bombay Carnatic region. There is the Belgavi, Bijapura, Dharwar and North Kannada. This is the Portuguese Imperial, Catholic imperialism in Goa. And you can see the Princely state of Banganpalli enclosed within Kurnool, Princely state of Sandur enclosed in the Bellary district, the Pulicat Lake, Chennapatnam, Madras. So you can have the broader perspective there. And those who are interested little more, and I will also show you this map, is much we are talking about. This is the Velikonda ranges. This is the broader eastern Ghats when compared to continuous much higher western Ghats close to Kerala and all those regions. Malabar, they are called Sahyadri mountains. This is the eastern Ghats, Turupu Kanamalu. This is the Velikonda ranges. This region we are talking, exploring today in more detail. And of course, this is the political map. So, this Velikonda region essentially covers this region. Excuse me. It starts from somewhere Vinukonda and all those regions, and this region, Besavarpeta, Guntur, Badvel, and Pormavilla and Siddhavat Rajampeta and Kodur up to Tirupati Chandragiri. Here on the eastern side Venkatagiri and Rapur, Padlakur, Atmakuru, Udayagiri, Kanigiri and those regions. This is the broader Velikonda region. So this is for your the more political, the historic taluks around about 1995 or so. And this is the our fascinating Velikonda ranges. So the broadly this is the Velikonda ranges here, the Payangat region. And Velikonda, what are the important the boundaries of the Velikonda ranges? The boundaries of Velikonda range in north is much subdued. We can see Gundlakamma, we can see the broadly goes here. There are Vinukonda ranges. So these are continuous. You can say south of Gundlakamma. And southernmost region is called Erpedu town, close to Renigunta or Chandragiri. We can see Swarnamukhi river here that goes from Chandragiri and Tirupati basin, Kalahasti, goes to Wakadu, Naidupet and all those areas to Bay of Bengal, that is the Ganga Saga. So Swarnamukhi river too, and this Gundlakamma is the broad, the eastern side is the Payangat region, low-lying region, Nellore Payangat, western side is Sagileru valley. Sagileru river goes there. So the Gundlakamma river, and we'll see the Velikonda forms the water source catchment area for southern Musi. There is also Musi river in Bhagyanagar, that is Hyderabad region, Telangana plateau. This is southern Musi. We can call that as a northern Musi. And Paleru river, Manneru river. There is other river similarly named called Manneru in the Khammam district area of Telangana. So this is Manneru, and this is the Penna river. South of Penna you can see the Kandaluru river, Swarnamukhi river, and the western side Sagileru river. Eastern Ghats, they are scripted in the north by Gundlakamma, south by Swarnamukhi. They are cut in the middle by the Pinakini river, Penna river. At Somasila Reservoir it is dammed. East of this is the historic port of Udayagiri. This used to be the frontier post of Vijayanagara emperors overlooking the Payangat region, low-lying region of RayalaSeema up to the Guntur Seema and Kondavedu. It was under Gajapati control. Kalingas ruled it. Tuluva Emperor Krishna conquered it back to Vijayanagara Empire in 1512, and it stayed there, and until the later, after Battle of Talikota, it where the Vijayanagara Empire declined, it got into the Qutub Shahi's control later. And the western, there is a Chatram pass here, connects the Kanigiri Podili, that is the Payangat region, to the western Kambam and Bestavarpeta. Goa Guntur railway line was built in the north. That goes through northern portion of Velikonda range, and the Madras and Bombay Salsette railway line was built in the southern part of Velikonda, that at Renigunda junction there is a pass. This is the gap town close to Tirupati, and we'll see that was the Bombay Madras railway line was built 1871. This is the Goa to Gomantak railway line round about 12 years later, or it was ready by 1888 or 1890 or so. One was built by Greater Indian Peninsular Railway, and that was Madras Railway and Southern Maratha Railway and so on. Eastern side of this Velikonda ranges, you see Kanigiri from north to south, Kanigiri town, Pamuru town, Udayagiri fort, Somasila Reservoir, Penchalakona, this is a sacred place in Nellore district, Rapur town, the historic Jamindari of Venkatagiri, and southernmost part is Erpedu, that is maybe 10-15 kilometers from Renigunta and close to Tirupati. That is the eastern side. Western side you can see here from Markapuram and Kambam and Bestavarpeta, Pormavilla and Badvel, and these are in the Sagileru valley. Rajampeta is in the Rajampeta valley south of Penna, and Koduru and in the Renigunta. So these are the westernmost parts of this, and we can see them here in this part. This is the Velikonda ranges, and this is the Somasila Reservoir, and I have put here, this is the Udayagiri fort and this is the Kavali. This is the Udayagiri port and Kavali on the Bay of Bengal, Gangasagar, and this is Vinjamuru. So this is the northern part is railway line, the Goa Gomantak railway line. Here this is the Giddaluru and this is the Nandyala. If this is the Udayagiri, this is the Pamuru, this is, and this is the Pamuru, this should be the Podili, and this should be the Kanigiri. So Podili and goes to Ongolu, Ongolu to this is the Nandyala major railway traffic. This is the Kadapa basin, Somasila Reservoir. This region, we'll see that in more detail in other place, and we can see it here. I'm showing the different perspectives so that you will get a broader understanding. So this is the, you have to have the landmarks here. This is the Pulicat Lake, and this is the Palar River. This is the urban area of Chennapatnam. This is Srisailam Reservoir, Nagarjuna Sagar Reservoir. This is the Almaty. This is the Narayanpur Reservoir, Krishna River. This is the Nalamala. This is the Velikonda. You can see the Penna River here, Somasila Dam here. And this is the Nandyal Valley. This is the Nalamala. East is Sagileru. This is the Velikonda. This is the Nellore Panghat region, the Coromandel region. We will see the same thing in better perspective here. So the landmarks is the Somasila here. See this is the Velikonda ranges. So this is the Renigunda junction. The Renigunda junction comes from Arkonam junction. This is the Chennapatnam, this is the Arkonam, and this is the Nagari, Puttur, those areas. Finally, Renigunda. This is the junction. This is the Erpedu. So the railway line goes to this, the Rajampeta Valley. The Kodur will be somewhere here. Rajampeta will be here. This is the Nandalur. So other side. After this, the Penna River, Somasila, it will go to Sagileru Valley. The Badwell will be here. Badwell, it cuts the road line, cuts to, this is the Udayagiri fort. This is the Duttaluru. So you can see the Nelluru, and this should be the Kavali here. Udayagiri to Kavali. Udayagiri fort to Kavali, and we can see this is the Udayagiri, this is the Pamuru, this is the Kanigiri, this is the Podili. This is the Podili. So this is the Kanigiri, this is the Podili, and this is the Ongol. So the east, this is the Gundlakamma river, comes the north. You can see the Gundlakamma river here. This is the Ongol, and Gundlakamma river somewhere here. Southern Musi river here. Gundlakamma. This is the southern Musi. This is the Tanguturu Singarayakonda will be here. Southern Musi, and this is the I forgot that. Southern Musi and rivers here. Paleru, Penneru, and Kandalu. Southern Musi and Paleru, Manneru, and Penna. So southern Musi, we can see the Penna river. This is the Penna, this is the Manneru river. Penna and Manneru river. This is the Musi river, and so on. Once you have the Penna river here, this is the Kandaleru river here. You can see the Kandaleru here. And this is the Swarnamukhi river. This is the Tirupati, this is the Renigunta Pass, this is the Erpedu. These are the Nagari hills, that means this is the Srikalahasti. So Swarnamukhi river goes on the historic Chandragiri fort, and south of Tirupati it goes to the Kalahasti, and it goes, this is the Naidupet railway station. It goes to Wakada, Kota, and Vidyanagar, those areas falls into Bay of Bengal, that is the Gangasagar. Some other branch goes into the Pulicat Lake. That is, you can see the fascinating, the railway lines. So even the Velikondas are not exactly cut by the railway lines, but it forms a border. So the Madras to Bombay railway line, this is the Guti, that goes to southern parts of Velikonda near Renigunta. So this is the Velikonda. This is the Somasila. This is the Renigunta junctions. This is the Velikonda's Erpedu here. And northern part of Velikondas are pierced by this, the Guntur to Gomanta Goa railway line here in the Giddaluru, Nelluru, Nandyal, we have seen earlier is the Guti. and Guti railway junction here we have seen. So I have made an extensive video. You can look at the playlist to railways. That is the fascinating rail line connecting the Bombay Presidency's headquarters, that is the Bombay town, in the Salsette Island, actually a big island, and to Madras and the Ganga Sagar. Our interest here is especially near Renigunta Pass, that is southern part of Velikonda mountain ranges. That is the part here we are concerned about that. So that is in brief about the fascinating Velikonda ranges. Mitravan Bandhuvam, and in this series and RayalaSeema series, will be covering extensively RayalaSeema, and those who are not aware, I had posted similar series. This is Tamil Nadu series, and you can also look at Tamil Nadu series. This is the Punjab series. I have posted a lot of presentation there. This is the Punjab series again, Kerala series, and Maharashtra series, Himachal Pradesh series. Extensively I covered. This is the fascinating British Bengal Presidency series. 11 divisions. I talked extensively about the 61 districts. Thank you very much for joining today in this fascinating series about the Velikonda ranges, the Physiographic regions of the RayalaSeema, the remnant of the splendor of majestic Vijayanagara Empire. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. I appreciate you joining me today. And if you like the series, you can subscribe the channel and post your comments and suggestions. See you later in the next presentation, that will be the third physiographic region, Lankamala range of RayalaSeema.